Hey guys, I'm going to try and do this in one take today with no edits or anything like that. It's only going to be a quick few-minute video. And it's just about how even when our channels don't appear to be growing, that we need to keep on going. So I've uploaded maybe 12 videos on this channel now. I'm kind of stuck around the 195 subscribers mark. My videos are averaging sort of like 100 to 150 views a video, and they just keep, it's like plateaued there for the last couple of weeks. That's why I've not done an update at all, because not a lot's changing really. But this is why we need to keep going on it. It can feel like, what's the point, and just jacking it in. But I'm not going to do that, because if I jack it in now, nothing's going to happen. Where if I carry on, something might happen. And also, I'm doing it for myself. I'm doing it for my creativity. I'm doing it for me. I'm doing it for myself. And I'm also doing it to try and help people along the way. I'm no expert at YouTube. I'm just learning. I've only been doing it a short time. But if I can help people on the way while I'm learning and then pass on that knowledge to other people, then that's all good. That's all good. I want to become a YouTuber that helps, on this channel anyway, that helps people my sort of age who want to start YouTube, or have got small channels and want to grow them, while I'm growing my channel at the same time. And that means a lot to me. And I don't know if I'll ever be able to compete with the bigger channels in this niche. There's some that have got very professional outfits. They've been doing it for a long time, and their videos are crisp, they're polished. Some of them are really funny people that I watch and get a lot of knowledge from. So I don't know if I'll ever get to that point of being that polished, but all I can be is me, and this is where I am right now. In a year's time, maybe my videos will be a bit better quality, bit better edited. But just keep going, guys, because I know a lot of small channels stop too soon. They don't see the subscribers going up, they don't see the views going up, and they give up, they lose hope. But you need to keep going, because like I said, if you stop, then that's it, that's the dream over. That's the channel over with. So I've made a commitment to myself and to this channel that I'm gonna keep uploading regularly, whether it be once or twice a week, 3 times a week if possible. Got a lot going on at the moment, so it's hard to get so many uploads out as I wanted to, but it's a process. I'm still aiming for the 90-day monetization challenge, but each week that goes past, it's getting a little bit further away. But you never know. You never know. You have to stay positive in this line of work. Otherwise, you will just quit. And it's like I touched on in a previous video. We all have a message to give. We all have someone that will resonate with our messages, with our channels, with our videos, whatever niche, whatever subject it's on. So that's all I wanted to say today, is just don't give up. Just keep going. It's easy to think that these other channels that grow quickly, they're getting thousands and thousands of views per video, are way off in the distance. And in some cases they are a way off. But in some instances, they're not as far off as what we think. One video can change all that. One video can make a massive jump closer to those bigger channels. So anyway, guys, don't lose faith. Keep plugging away. And this is the first ever video I've done with no edits. If you've got anything from this, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.